Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is business strategy. So before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is business strategy? Business strategy refers to a set of decisions and actions taken by a company to achieve long-term goals and objectives. It involves planning and implementing strategies that align with the organization's mission and vision, maximize competitive advantage, and create value for stakeholders. Here are some key aspects of business strategy. Number one, business purpose and goals. Business strategy begins with defining the purpose of the organization and establishing clear, measurable goals that guide decision making and resource allocation. Number two, competitive advantage. Strategy often focuses on identifying and leveraging competitive advantages that differentiate the company from its competitors. This could be through innovation, cost leadership, superior customer service, or unique value propositions. Number three, resource allocation. Strategy involves allocating resources such as financial, human, and technological resources efficiently and effectively to support the execution of strategic initiatives. Number four, market positioning. A key component of strategy is determining the company's position within its industry or market segment. This includes understanding customer needs, market trends, and competitor activities to develop positioning strategies. Number five, risk management. Business strategy also encompasses identifying and mitigating risks that may impact the organization's ability to achieve its goals. This involves assessing internal and external factors that could affect performance and implementing strategies to manage uncertainties. Number six, implementation and execution. Strategy is not just about planning but also about effective implementation and execution. It requires aligning organizational structure, processes, and culture to support strategic objectives and continuously monitoring progress towards achieving them. Number seven, adaptability and flexibility. In today's dynamic business environment, successful strategies often require adaptability and flexibility. Organizations may need to adjust strategies in response to changes in market conditions, technological advancements, or shifts in customer preferences. Number eight, measurement and evaluation. Business strategy includes establishing metrics and key performance indicators or KPIs to measure progress and evaluate the effectiveness of strategic initiatives. This helps in identifying areas of improvement and making informed adjustments to strategies. Overall, business strategy is essential for guiding the direction of an organization, optimizing resources, and achieving sustainable growth and profitability in a competitive marketplace. It provides a framework for making strategic decisions that drive the long-term success and viability of the business. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what this business strategy is all about. Thank you so much for listening and watching my videos. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.